What's up, y'all? This is Marshall Lee of DonkeyJawProjects.com, and this is the Early Bird Artcast episode number 34. How you guys doing? I am doing all right, but I'm troubleshooting here, trying to troubleshoot, and get my tablet to detect my pen. It's weird. I'm trying to do the display, thing where you calibrate the monitor, and for whatever reason, it just doesn't want to work, which is annoying because I'm trying to make some progress with my comic. And, I don't know. It's just frustrating. So, I'll bring up Clip Studio. Hopefully, you guys see that. I don't really know. You know what? Let me bring it up on my cell phone so I can see what you guys are seeing. It's Monday morning, guys. You guys ready for this? All right, so at least I know you guys can see what I'm seeing, so that's cool. Now let me show you. I'm doing my monitor. It'd be nice to get some progress done on my comic today, But go to monitor calibration here, and it detects the pen while I'm doing this. But once I'm done doing this, the pen doesn't work on the screen, and I don't know why. I have to use the mouse to make anything happen, so I guess I'll turn it on and off again. Maybe that'll do something. Let's try it again, I guess. I've done this this is my fifth time probably doing this morning. Not turning it on and off, but doing this calibration thing. And it's like, what the heck, yo? Apply, I guess, right? Not working. Why? I don't get it. If anybody knows, I guess I could start working on my comic, but I just have to use my mouse, which is annoying. Everything's plugged in, right? I think. It obviously works, because I was able to do the calibration thing, but that's all it'll let me do. I think there's something in the settings that I did before that helped it, but it's like, where is that, though? It says device is connected. It's like, I wonder why I have a hard time getting stuff done sometimes, and this is why. I already went into display. I didn't see anything there. Let's try ink. I don't know what ink means, but it looks like it's a tablet situation. Handwriting recognition is on off. I don't know what that all means. Gesture, wordless, language. I don't really know if this has anything to do with anything. Recognize my handwriting after. Start inking after the pen moves. Use pen as mouse. I don't know what that all is. That doesn't really make sense for what I'm trying to do. Does a trackpad have anything to do with it? Maybe this notification has something to do with it. No, that's just the trackpad. All right, let's try this notification. So frustrating. So frustrating. Do not disturb. What? There was something that I did recently within the settings. I think that helped it. I can't remember. Um, all right, so this is no help. Let's see. It's been having this problem ever since I I guess it's ever since I put in the new like the new update like for the OS or whatever, or iOS or what, I don't know. Is that iPhone? I don't know, guys. This is frustrating. And then when I go here, it takes forever to for the update to come through. So I don't know. Maybe that'll do something while I'm playing around in Clip Studio. Let's see if I can at least open up a page to start coloring. Oh goodness. All right. So one thing I was thinking is I've never colored a comic page that already has the word balloons all put together. And I wonder if there's a way to kind of do that. Or if it, that way I have less stuff I have to color. Yeah, because people put in the word balloons on purpose so they don't have to draw those parts too. I'd have to actually write a actual script to do that, but but I have written the script once I've actually lettered it, I guess. Although I do have to make some changes to the lettering. I hope that wouldn't mess it up at all. I don't think any of the changes will change it drastically. I don't know. All right, so where did I put? I need to like get organized with my stuff. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna go into art. Hopefully, where did I store Corncob Rob? Is there? I think it's on the desktop, to be honest. I can always search. Let me go to desktop first. See if it's it's pretty bad, right? The Corncob Rob Part 1. All right. Let's open it up. Page 1. Is this Clip Studio? Where's the Clip Studio versions of these? Oh, here it is. Oh, page 1's already colored. So one thing I wanted to do was bring in, I want to try a different style of coloring, maybe. Like a flat coloring, because I don't have time. You know what I mean? Oh, I already started coloring this one. Now I kind of do remember. All right, cool. So, yeah, I don't know why this thing keeps saying checking for updates. There's like a notification that there's an update. Maybe if I turn the computer off and on again. I mean, it works for the IT crowd. I just don't get it, guys. Like, why is my pen not working? Scaled or best for PD, rotation, refresh rate. None of this stuff has anything to do with anything. Shouldn't my actual tablet show up in this list of things? Maybe it's in printer scanners. I think this episode's going to be called Troubleshooting. Hopefully it's not too crazy boring for you guys. I'd love to talk about some stuff. Shecember started this weekend. It's been going pretty good. Um, I've been really happy with seeing people participate, and yeah, I don't know, pretty cool, man. So I've been playing around with that a lot, but I really got to just get focused on comics now for the rest of the month. I mean, I'll probably try to do Shecember still, like in my sketchbook, like at the end of the day, I'll try to like just do some sketching and bump it in, type of thing. But what about mouse? That doesn't do anything. Turn on Bluetooth. Oh man, you guys, this stuff. Computers. All right, let's get back to the page, I guess. Let's make this bigger. Hopefully, I'm really going to be needing to rely on some of you guys here. Hopefully, uh, I will be able to maybe somebody will respond like during in the replay. Now this page originally had the background black, but I don't know if I want to go that route because I heard printing all black on newsprint is not always great, and I might be going with newsprint. Now, does that mean this looks weird now? I don't know. Also, you know what? Excuse me. I want to get my the windows up. The is it the subtool? No, subtool detail. No, the navigator and subview. All right, that's what I want. These guys up there. Now, which one can I? Okay. Now, I think I remember seeing that. Like, I can color pick from this, but when I try to do that, it doesn't want to do the color picking. I think, if I remember correctly. Let's see. What am I on? I'm already on purple. Let's pick a different color. Blue. Okay, so that did work. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do is find. Hey, what's up, Teresa? How you doing? I'm having troubles with my tablet, trying to make it work. All right, so right now I'm using my mouse because it doesn't want to detect my pen. All right, Ed, his score. Oh, it's already coming up. Color palette. Oops. Yeah, leave site. The video I did with you recently, Teresa, is doing pretty well. It's at 49 views. Every time at least two of the videos that I've done with you have done really well, which is pretty cool. Not that it matters that much, but it's just interesting. So this is, I don't know if you guys have ever, if you're into what Ed Piskor does, but I wonder if there's like a good high res version. Um, Basically, I want old school color palette. Um, I want to use an old school color palette. So, color chart of your old comics 64 color guide, PSD zip file. I don't want a PSD. I just want the colors. I mean, I can probably just grab this, but I don't know how accurate that is, but it'll probably be good enough. See, it brings you to this weird site. This translate. It has nothing to do with it. Yeah, all right. Let's just go back. I'll just grab the image and keep it for myself. Oh, did it go to the wrong place? Okay, I get it. All right, hopefully that. Oh, I want to get that back up. This is a fun episode. Teresa says, "We are a great duo. Tech problems are a nightmare. When mine doesn't work, weird stuff to fix it. Like charging my pen for 5 seconds and then it works. It's the weirdest thing." I mean, I had just gotten done charging my pen. Like, it's been charging all weekend. Like, because I didn't use it. So, I don't know. I'll try that. Pen is charging. All right, let's get back to this. See if I can bring up that color palette. Do. So I really want to get like a simple color style, and I don't know what that is exactly. I want to get into some like stuff that's easy to do, basically. So that's like the quickest color style I can do. That's also awesome. So obviously, I'm not going to go with something like this little Alita drawing here, or this Lita, digital. I don't know what it is, color painting. Um, that's going to be this would take, if I were to do the whole comic like this, it would take me half a year. Um, but some kind of like flat style, I guess, flat comic style, but maybe with a little bit of shading. Maybe just to emphasize in certain parts. I don't really know. I guess I have to just keep doing it, and I'll figure it out as I go. Which means that Corncob Rob isn't going to be as good as it would be, issue 6 or something. All right, let's get back to, we're going to desktop. Where's that thing I just downloaded? More computer stupidness. Maybe I can just drag it right into the sub view. Oh boy, I hate this stuff. Whining. Fine. I'll click it. Nothing. My computer's slow. Oh, come on. Seriously? Stop it. Alright. Save image as, copy image. Yeah, save image as. Excuse me. Usually if you click and drag it, it's supposed to do the thing. But my computer is not doing anything right today, so. Bad computer. Bad. I've seen other color charts as well, but I know this one works because Ed Piskard uses it. Ed P. Score for Hip Hop Family Tree and the X-Men book he's been working on. So yeah, I'm looking at hip hop family tree right now. It happens to be right by my desk, and I'm just trying to see the color palette he uses. And yeah, it looks like so far I'm not seeing any shading or highlights at all. So it's all about picking the right color, you know. That's the trick. And using some of these like effects, like the blocking out or whatever. I think they call them knockouts. All right, save that to desktop. All right, good. We're good. We should be good. I say that, but probably not good. All right, what's this? Cell shading is the easiest I know of. Yeah, that's one way to do it, and you know, I'm not sure. I mean, it's it's a good way to go. I don't know if that's like I tend to end up wanting to just paint it instead of um, you know, kind of do the selection version, but I guess they're both cell shading maybe technically. It doesn't matter how you get there. Um, so yeah, I guess that's probably the best way. It makes sense. I know some people I remember old like Photoshop tutorials and I feel like they would use some kind of this like color dodging technique to do the shading. And so then, the art student in me is like, well, you should make your shades and stuff like, they shouldn't just be a darker version of like whatever color. They should be like you should be playing around with different colors. But that's like, yeah, if you're gonna do a painting and if you're, gonna do what your teacher wants you to do, sure. But to get an effect like that you need, like maybe it's good enough type of thing. So whatever. I don't know. But that I guess art student in me kind of rears its ugly head. All right, so let's see if we can, at the very least, start converting. You know what, Teresa, you're the one who told me that I should use Flaton, and I haven't messed with that since you said it because I haven't done the coloring yet. But why don't I just try to work with this page for now, and then the next page I'll start with Flaton. Hopefully, I can remember to do that. All right, so we're going to reference the ink switch. It's already there. Okay, cool. Oh, my computer's a little slow right now. Kill that art student. Use all the hacks. Thanks, Teresa. Yeah, I know. I gotta do that. You're right. Oh, goodness. Oh, I already have this blacked out version layer if I want it, which I love it. I love how it looks, but again, I guess I can just turn it on and off if I want. So, like, depending if I go with the uh, newsprint, then I will make sure it's off. But because apparently, if you use like black like that, heavy black all to the edge, full bleed like that, it can I don't know, something about it like the newsprint doesn't take it well, and maybe it bleeds through to the other side or something. Because not all my pages are going to be black like that. Just the like intro pages would be that. So I don't know. Although I think they do in some of the alternate comics, they actually have done that. Now that I think about it, let me see if I can find some examples. Let's find out. Oh yeah, I can see even in this one that's like all night and dark and whatnot. Now, this is an early one, but even that, he didn't use the full bleed black. It's Croak. These are some of the guys who left Alternative for stupid reasons, unfortunately. I don't know. I think I could do full bleed if I wanted to, but it's a really nice drawing. Alright, anyways, that was a little quick thing. Alright. Let's see. So, what do I want to use here? I'm going to continue with this using the pen thing. Oh, you know what? Let me just start selecting like colors. Let's see. So this purple. Let's use maybe this purple. For this part. Now, why is it coloring only? Like, why isn't it detecting things? What? Why is this? I don't get it. Okay, that. Oh, I get it. Okay. I'm going to have to do some selecting there. It'd be nice if I had the pen to do that with. I don't really get why it's not. Like, if I click refer to editing layer. That's why. Okay, I gotcha. Now we're cooking with gas. All right. Hopefully we're cooking with gas. We might be cooking with something else. It's not gas. Something that's not gas. The buttons don't work here either. So I have to do with the mouse pad. I have to remember my computer's probably partially slow because I'm streaming here and I'm doing the display thing. And then, maybe I can do that. All right. Yay, color picking. This is fun. I know you guys are super excited. Oh, that's not looking too bad though, right? Could dig that. Looks really saturated, surprisingly saturated for this color palette. Doesn't look saturated, but okay. Saturated. All right, let's see. Do I even want it that color? Just curious. Okay. So I guess what I'm going to probably end up doing is flat colors, and then maybe I'll use the tones as my, shading, and keep it stupid simple. Do I even want it that yellowy orange color? I don't even know. This color's kind of cool. Let's try that. I have to go in with the brush or something. Let's see. Yeah, big fat brush, yo. Make it bigger. Oh, come on. Oh, went the right way. That's why it's not working. All right. Oh, too much. We can make it if we try. Is that what you were saying? Just the two of us? I'm like singing this song. We're a great duo. I don't know why that song was suddenly in my head. All right. Anyways, let's see. I guess we're going with blues for this panel because that's what I did. Do. Maybe we'll go with this funny. I should probably have a color palette for this, like that. I'm like sticking with a specific mood. But alas, I do not. Do. Oh yeah, that's what I'm screaming. Digging it. Corn cob, what color are your pants? You got them blue jeans going on, huh? Get that pen action. I guess I can still do coloring with the actual mouse, but I really like to be using my actual thingy dingy. You know, I only paid $400 or whatever dollars for it. It should work. All right, let's see if it works. I don't. I charged it. Teresa. I charged it. Let's try this monitor calibration thing again. Even though I've done it like 1,000 times. See, it detects it enough to do this. But then now it won't work. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Cool. Fun. Well, at least we got a little bit of progress done here. I'm going to continue for a little bit longer. I do have to get going to work, though. I think I made his shirt, the color of his shirt red. So let's get that red going. Yeah, dog. Yeah, doggy. Do. Yeah, get these flats in, and then that's all. That's it. Because the flats are all I'm doing, I guess. Hopefully that makes it a lot easier. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Let's see. Yeah, plug it and unplug it tends to work. Yeah, pretty sure I've done that, but yeah, I might have to try it again. Sometimes I have to close Clip Studio, plug it, and unplug it, and then it works. I have sick IT skills. Yeah, well, your IT skills are about as good as mine, so it looks like so. We're in the same boat. It's funny. I was talking to my buddy Robert Johnston yesterday, and shout out to Robert Johnston. He's done the 100 Days of Making Comics. He's going to be in the new anthology. He's got a YouTube channel. Go check him out. The dude is such a helpful guy. Like, he has been helping me, and the hundreds, and he's just always offering his help. And he's like one of these guys who knows about websites and stuff. And like, that's what he does for his work. He does like marketing and um, stuff for websites, and he can create them, and he knows the code and all that fun stuff. So he was helping me with my website yesterday, and I don't know if he knows also about like kind of IT stuff, but he probably does. I'm guessing. And so, actually, let me go with this one. Um, I wish I thought to ask him about this pen situation when I was hanging out with him. But who knows? Maybe he'll chime in on the replay or something. But I know there's some of you who know the answer to this. I'm getting to the point where I'm gonna have to start Googling. It's like that whole thing. Like, you try all these things before you read the instructions, and eventually it comes down to reading the instructions. And I'm starting to get to that point. Probably if I Googled it first, I wouldn't be having this problem. And then, or sometimes you even go, and this is the part that I know people who get this hate. Sometimes you go to like the actual person, or you go to somebody and ask them first, and it's like, did you even try Googling it? Whoops. Yeah, let me go do that. Sorry. Do, 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 do. Corn cob yellow. You're gonna be a bright yellow? It's nighttime. Maybe I give them a little less brightness on the yellowish side. Give them that nighttime yellow. Whatever that means. Do, 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 do. Why it's so weird. I mean, it's a good song, I guess. Is that Barry White, I think? One of those funky dudes. It's like a greenish yellow. Yeah, I guess I'll go up here with it too. I'll probably color this a different color though. All right, let's see. I guess it's about that time. This isn't the most exciting stream in the world, so I'm gonna probably end it here. But let me pull up the good old thingy dingy. I did just release this comic right here, The Hitchhiker, which was part of the 100 Days of Making Comics anthology, but it is now we're now able to release it to the public. So I did a little work in Clip Studio Paint to kind of make this look nice. took way too long, and then I put like the hitchhiker text in there, and I think it came out cool. I changed the colors on SETI and Gauguin as well. Let me know what you guys think of the colors of these guys, because it's different than I originally colored it, and I still don't know for sure what their colors actually are. So I don't know. It's impossible to make decisions on colors sometimes. So yeah, there's that. So go to donkeydropprojects.com/comics, and you can find that. It's now a new comic released for last month. And yeah, if you have any thoughts on what the heck's going on here and how I can fix it, let me know. Anything. I'm always happy to hear from you guys, and I'll always respond to you in the comments and all that fun stuff. You guys rock. I really appreciate you for hanging out. Marshall Lee _DJP on Instagram and Twitter. Teresa, thanks for hanging out and giving me some nice IT skills help. And everybody else watching on the replay, I really appreciate your support and checking my stuff out. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace out.